All right, what is this? What is in this tower? What is this exactly? I see yellow flowers, but I'm just not as educated as you are.
We have squash.
Right?
There's squash. There is zucchini right here. You see little baby zucchinis?
Yeah.
Here is a little 8-ball zucchinis. Oh, look at them. They're little balls. See there, right there? It's an 8-ball zucchini. This is kale.
Wow.
Look at that kale growing.
Look at those leaves.
I know it. Look, this is Swiss chard down here. I gotta thin it out.
How long have you been doing this one when you got it started?
A month.
1 month?
1 month. I planted it today.
Holy moly.
One
Are you
month.
serious?
I'm serious. Very
Guys,
serious. See,
that's
the beauty
1
about
month
this.
of growing.
That is the beauty. And look how the weather's been changing off and on, cold and hot. It's
weird.
Everything else has been weird. Look at these collard greens. Look at the size of this collard greens. Now, I got to get in here and clean it out because it's getting too big and needs airflow. Look at that.
Look at that. Look at that leaf. It's beautiful.
So you can make collard green scent roll-ups.
Nice.
All kinds of things. And then we have, here's peppers up here. These are sweet peppers right here. And again, we're going to harvest this kale back because it needs lots of good airflow. And then, oh, this is my pride and joy back here.
Hold on, come around.
All right. You got to have a little pop sunflower.
Wow.
It's a little sunflower in there. But
It grows so fast in these tower gardens.
It grows 30% more yield, 3 times faster. It only uses 2% of the water that traditional water gardens use. And it only uses 10% of the space because we're growing up. So
Wow.
in this tower right here, I have 20 plants in this tower.
So what are you talking? You feed 4 to 5 families here, huh?
You can feed 4 to 5 families right off this tower in a heartbeat.
Just this
one
tower.
seed. It takes 1 seed to feed a family of 4 to 6. 1 seed.
And how many does this hold?
20.
20 seeds.
20 seeds. Yep, 20 different
Wow.
plants.
This is great. I feel like I'm in the jungle.
You are.
Crazy. Now, what's that called again?
Wasabi arugula.
Wasabi arugula.
Wasabi arugula.
Let me look at that.
Wasabi.
And oh my gosh, Tammy, come try this.
Spicy.
What's this? No, but you know what wasabi tastes like.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you a little tender piece right here.
I've tasted it. I remember last time I was here, raving about it. To try that out. That's wasabi arugula.
Oh, that's good. Spicy, that's good.
Is that crazy?
It's good.
Okay, last time I was here, I just took a few tastes of a few things. What happened immediately? Energy literally happened. I got my car. I could have drove my car without the engine on. It was that much energy in me. It was unbelievable. I could feel a difference. So I'm going to try this fresh strawberry right now. Can I see what it looks like? Look at that. Ooh. It's a little bit of a cheat for me, but oh, okay. Wow. My mouth.
Isn't that good, huh? Good. That's good.
When somebody says it hurts so good, it hurts so good. It tastes beautiful.
Yeah.
That is a sweet strawberry. I was just talking about it today that I haven't had fruit in years. And that's just refreshing. Guys, that's the way to go.
100 of those?
Yeah.
Wow.
So this tower, you say it holds 100, right?
This one over here holds 100. This is our baby
100.
cream tower. And I just decided we were going to grow a whole bunch of strawberries on it this year.
Wow.
So
That's a
100
lot of
strawberries
plants.
with it.
And when
Yeah.
that blows up, back off, it's going to be huge.
It's going to be wonderful.
Now, how long's that been going right now? I love bragging about that.
This one's 30 days, and this one is only 2 weeks. So we've only
2
got
weeks?
2 weeks, uh-huh.
And this is 30 days.
30
Look at the
days.
difference. Look
Yeah.
at that. Guys, is your mouth watering yet? I'm telling you. It's this. If you've ever tasted anything off a tower garden, it'll remind you when you were a child when food used to not be a bunch of chemicals.
Yeah.
When food used to be food. And if you don't believe me, just ask her dog. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
She can't get enough of these plants.
No. Come here. You want a strawberry, too?
Look at
Here.
this. Oh my goodness. To feed
That's
your
a good
dog
one.
such clean ingredients.
Nothing
just
sprayed on it.
food.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Just water. Yeah.
Okay, guys, so when I bought my tower garden, I filled it with nothing but herbs because it had a theme. Can you guys try and guess really quick what the theme of this one is? I'll show you what it looks like. What's the theme of this one? There's a special theme to this tower, and I really am excited about theme towers. We just named that. We just made that up.
Yeah, we just made that one up.
Okay, so talk to me. What's the theme on this?
This is a salsa garden.
It's a salsa garden,
Here's the tomatoes, and I start cleaning them off
right?
because I want to keep this nice and clean. Like this right here, I'll get it cleaned off.
Right.
Strip all that where I can keep it nice and clean. Here's my green onions. Check this out. These are the green onions.
Look at the roots on that.
I know. You want to smell them again?
Oh, smell my roots. That's her. That's her. That's her
that.
phrase.
I left that one. Now we're going to eat this tonight. But yeah, look at this.
I can smell it from here. I can literally smell it from here.
It's crazy, huh?
I didn't have to bend over and smell it.
Yeah, it's crazy. So then we're
oh,
gonna put
and she
them
puts
back
the
in
roots
there.
back in. That's where they're getting their nourishment, the water that runs by and takes care of them.
Cilantro.
Cilantro.
You know you put a lot of that.
Unbelievable. You got your tomatoes, your onions, your cilantro, your peppers. Guys, theme gardens is the way to go. I promise you're going to hear more about theme gardens in the future.
Yes, we will.
Okay, guys, let me introduce you to my friend. Many of you have seen her in a bunch of other videos. She is the owner of Tennessee Urban Farms. Her name is Mona Hitch, and I absolutely love this lady so much. She's done so much for my knowledge on food, on education, on everything I've ever learned about tower gardens, everything I've ever learned about nutrition. She's given me so much information. So first of all, thank you for letting us come here.
Thank you, Jack, for coming.
Yeah. Can I ask you some questions to start off?
Okay. I would love to.
So the first question is, I just want to get footage of you telling me, how did you get started in tower gardens? I don't remember ever asking you. What was the first tower garden you ever touched, and how did that look?
Wow, that's really good, Jack. It was 10 years ago, to answer that question.
Whoa.
So I've been doing it for a very long time.
Yeah.
And the first one, I'd had 2 back surgeries and I couldn't garden anymore. And a red clay we didn't match. So when I heard about it, I had to have one. That summer, I had to have 2 more because I like growing with a theme. I had my salsa garden, my herb garden, and my lettuce garden. Then I ended up with 2 more the next year. And it was because of my friend had gone through a very bad divorce. And she just couldn't do the garden. She had to get out. So it was a bad thing, but I found it very, very nurturing. I loved it. And I loved my own food, growing my own food. That's how I got started. And in fact, that's how we met. As I was on Ignorance on Fire, but not really, because I knew what I had to do, and that was to get out and help as many people as I could. Cancer patients, nothing being sprayed on them. Just everybody, kids. We don't know, and especially with what's happened this past year, what goes on in the homes, and this therapy, and giving a purpose, and having to let food be thy medicine.
Okay, this came off of Mona's Tower Garden. She has tons of these. It's a fresh, just snapped it right off. Green bean. It's unbelievable. It smells just delicious. Oop, delicious. So good. Oh my gosh. This is so good, guys. Nothing like eating it right off the Tower Garden.